Pony, it's Chris from the Street here, and I'm ready for another episode of Tomodachi Live Screenshots. How do you feel about that? I know it's been a while since I've recorded, but still. What can I do when I've got exams on going at the moment? Anyway, I still got time to do better. Yeah, I can't go through there at the moment, and well, let's just get into it, come on. So we start with a picture from the photo studio of Eileen Winter. Me, Eileen 12, Yoshi, Shish, Tomodachi, and the Lizard Freeze. All 9 of us, we give it ya. Next! Here's the Bumble. This is what should have happened in the game. Yes, I'm in a photo studio thing, but what can I do? Next. And, I'm gonna have to put his name back in the description. Beats of Denial in a rap battle, putting him as the second best rapper in the island. So we should be alright with that. Next. Me, Shishcake, and the Bee. Oh, this is the Opera House. And it's an actual Opera House, I'm not joking. For all my Australian fans out there, you can prove it to my other fans that are, that don't know Sydney Opera House really is an Opera House. You can prove it in there. Next! More in Australia, Shishcake, the Bee, and... Looks like I fell asleep. I don't know why, but... It's alright, Shishcake, and the Bee. I haven't done that meme in so long, I love it! It took a while there and all. No, it took 3 selfies. Oh, next! Winter and Lane. Yeah, if you don't know who Vintage is, that is basically Lizard Freeze's pet. Who's... Actually, at the moment she's awesome, but still. What's the same? Next! We're in Davix's apartment doing some exercise. Me, the Bee, and Layling. With Davixi doing some exercises. Looks like we're doing squats at the moment. Oh, well, next. This is what happens when you don't throw to the others in... Oh god, what is it? I think it was... I can't remember, I think it's the Frisbee session. Because we've got Chimney and Angry Cheesecake. He's very mad with me. And I've done the same with Shishcake and Angry Philomene. Yes, fine wine, if you're watching this, then I've kind of pissed you off, but who gives a shit? Well, clearly I don't. Angry Yoshi. Oh well. Looks like I've run off to get the disc. Next. Yep. Don't know what's triggered my anger, but still I'm beating the shite out of a punch bag. Where's my punch bag? And the music though, who I will put the name in the description of his channel, has beaten my mother there in the rap battle too. Shows how good he is. I mean, he is music clone after all. Well, I'm not going to say exactly though, just in case he, just in case he complains about it. Well, next. And I'm sorry, mate. My mate, if you're watching this, then I'm sorry, but Cheesecake is beating you in the rap battle as well. Yep, it's just like... Next! Cheesecake. That sounds for a celebration of beating. I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry, mate. I don't know what to do. Me, Lane, Bumbo, Boy, and the Bee, Winter, and Wizard are all throwing Cheesecake into the air. Next! Lane, Winter, and Wizard all together. When Cheesecake was full, this is what happened. And I'm a bit pissed about this because look, In all three, no, in both the following pictures, the food will be holding shish. Which is a bit unfair for the father, really, which is me. I've always been to death. More drivel of the States. It's the States, isn't it? Yeah, it's the States. For God's sake! I'd rather go. No, I'm dead serious. I would rather reside down under than the States. There's far less crime rate. There's a proper race down there in the city of Bathurst at Mount Panorama. Yeah. But then again, it's just a massive fight between GM fans and Ford fans mostly. Oh well, next. Angry Cheesecake again. This was when he was a foal, as you can see, because he's still in a foal bed. Must have frightened the life out of him. Look at him. When I still had him up on the island, smashed her in the rat barrel. Just look at that. He's just like, and Wise loading on that side. Mate, what are you doing? Oh well, next. When Blizzard Freeze was still smaller, when I didn't give her the Age-O-Matic spray, she beat your butt as well, and this basically she just got tortured in the rat barrel. Not tortured, but you know what I mean, like sort of, she got trounced every time. Like we're all having a race. And there goes Blizzard Freeze in the lead at the moment. I'm taking her on the inside, and she's like, oh god, is he gonna take me on the outside? She doesn't know her thing, so it's inside because we're going not the other way. It's out on the inside. And yes, I did get Yoshi and Vinyl married. For those who don't know who Vinyl is, that's basically Vinyl Switch. And to Australia, which is good for them. I think it is actually. More Aussie drivel. Sorry, Australians. Yep, I've just caught Dupley and I red-hoofed. Caught them having fair. They're like, what the hell are you doing? Yep. More strangulation of cats. Why, Philip? Why would you want to strangle your bloody cat? I used to think she was a crazy cat lady. Oh well, I'm more of a dog lover myself. And Blizzard Freeze is doing the same. How dare she? Mind you, she's done it in every episode so far. Oh well, next. We're just having a bit of reading the gaff and I was just like, yeah. Shamri is enjoying himself. A lake. Next. Vembo and me. A Swiss again. A lake. You know how much Rainbow likes me. I got all females for this one. I got from left to right. Vinyl, Rough, Fruffy, Blizzard Freeze, Angry Twixel, Flinavine, Angry Rainbow, and Ariel. She must have fallen asleep. Oh, well. And now the males. Yoshi. Logan. Music Bone. Shish Kick. 12. Lady. Shamri. And another me who I once booted off the island as well. He wasn't getting us anywhere, so it's like it was fun. I do apologize. Next, a mix of both. On left to right of females, it's Blizzard Freeze, Dippy so cute, Poppers and Funabine, and on left to right of males, Yoshi, Lady, Cheesecake, and me. I just noticed that half of them have Dippy's eyes. Dippy so cute. Next, a typical family. And family, of course, the impression is my and Shamri as the parents. Charlie's actually had a father and a real father, and again, grandma. Shishke is, well, my son. I've got Static Surge, who is a very, very stroppy sauce. I've got Blizzard Freeze, who's also very angry. I've got Fufury, November, and my pet duck, Lady. Probably looks like he's wet himself, but oh well. Next! Oh, what do you know? The amusement park. Oh, actually, that's the amusement park in the actual island, so from left to right. Shungry. Blizzard Freeze, who's obscuring the box's face. I read the bee. Shishke. And Blizzard Freeze, you keep strangling those bloody cats. There's going to be no cats surviving left with you around. Oh, just Blizzard Freeze if you're actually watching this video, but it's just for the video. You know, I'm sure you understand. Shinobi strangling more cats. Finally, I'm gonna kill them! My nan at the Rough Rider, who's at the moment, is seeing Blizzard strangle another cat. Doesn't surprise me, really. Peanuts as a cavity. Looks like him. Don't know why, but I prefer his me than his real face. I'm not going to show you a picture of his real face, obviously, because for reasons which I do not want to say. I'm cooking some lunch for the B&A. Peppy's so cute. I like. I wonder what Yoshi's up to. Oh, he's doing the same. I like. Blizzard Freeze, for the love of Celestia, will you stop strangling cats? You keep strangling those cats, it's gonna be done late! Jeez! More flops. With denial. Yep, more flops. Nailing. Some punch bag. And the last pick. Shumri does the same. At the moment. So now, who's ready for my top 5 of this episode, in my opinion? So I hope you are ready, because I'm going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At 5 is Music Pone destroying Final in the rap battle. She's not well pleased at all. She actually like at 4, it's got to go to Angry Cheesecake. At 3 is Lightning and Winter and Blizzard Freeze. At 2, it's got to go to Shinobi strangling more cats. And number 1 has got to be, well, it's Blizzard Freeze strangling a cat in front of Rough Rider. Rough Rider shouldn't be pleased about this. She should be well pissed. Well, and that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed this video this time. So if you're interested in more from next screenshots, some more videos from me, make sure to hit subscribe, leave a like on the video, and if you want to, just leave a comment saying how you feel. And I'll see you next